Hi everyone, today I'm going to be demonstrating some synovial joint movements. We're going to start out with flexion and extension. Flexion is where the joint angle decreases, so this is what flexion would look like. Extension would be just straightening that joint out to a zero position, so going like that. We have adduction and abduction next. Adduction is moving your arm to the midline, back to the midline of your body. Abduction is moving it away. So we have adduction moving in, abduction moving out. We have protraction and retraction. These two have to do with the shoulder. Protraction is when you push it forward like that, and then retraction is where you push it posteriorly. We have circumduction and rotation. Circumduction is where part of your arm stays stationary while the other one moves. So in this example, you can see my wrist moving and my shoulder is staying relatively stable. Rotation is where the bone or your bones or joints are just moving around in a longitudinal axis. So that would be just moving your whole arm in a circle. We have supination and pronation, which are specific to the wrist and your hands. Supination is where your palms are facing outwards. This is oftenly part of the anatomical position. Your palms are facing up and anteriorly. And then pronation is where your palms are facing down and posteriorly. We have two movements that are specific to the ankle. We have dorsiflexion, which is where the toes are elevated, and then we have plantar flexion, which is where the toes are facing downward. I like to think of it as when you have plantar flexion, you're pushing on the gas pedal, and then when you have dorsiflexion, you're often letting up the gas while driving your car.